Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delightful tea sandwiches. First, select your bread carefully. Choose a very soft, thinly sliced variety, such as white, whole wheat, or pumpernickel. It is crucial to trim off all the crusts from each slice. This step ensures a refined and elegant presentation, making your sandwiches perfectly bite-sized and easy to eat. Aim for about 8 to 10 slices of bread for a small gathering. Next, let's explore some savory filling options. A timeless favorite is thinly sliced cucumber with a generous spread of cream cheese, perhaps seasoned with a pinch of salt and pepper. Another excellent choice is a creamy egg salad, enhanced with a touch of fresh dill for added flavor. For a more sophisticated option, consider smoked salmon paired with cream cheese and a few tiny capers. These fillings are sure to please many palates. Now, let's consider some sweet fillings and essential spreads. Simple fruit preserves or jam, like strawberry or apricot, make a wonderfully sweet and easy sandwich. You could also try cream cheese mixed with a small amount of honey for a delicate sweetness. Remember, a thin layer of softened butter or mayonnaise on the bread is crucial. This base prevents the bread from becoming soggy and adds an extra layer of flavor to your delicious creations. Finally, let's assemble and present your beautiful tea sandwiches. Spread your chosen filling evenly across the entire surface of one bread slice, extending right to the edges. Place another slice of bread on top, pressing gently. For presentation, cut each sandwich into precise shapes, either 4 small triangles, 3 elegant fingers, or 2 rectangles. Arrange them neatly on a serving platter, perhaps garnished with a few fresh herbs, ready for your guests to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.